Okay, so I arrived to this walking trail where it's common to see the cassowaries, the world's most dangerous bird. So hopefully we see one. But yeah, let's start here. Right, I have to go back to the car and get some mosquito repellent. There's so much mosquitoes. Already got bit like 10 times. So let's head back to the car. I got some mosquito repellent on me, so I think we're fine now. Maybe we'll see a croc as well. You never know. So this is what we are looking for, the cassowary. They are native to northern Queensland, so I really want to see one. Right, I was thinking as I'm walking through this rainforest, I could just tell you about the plan today. Or I don't really have a plan today, but I'm thinking about going down to the beach. I am currently in Mission Beach, it's called. I'll show you on the map. So the plan is to go down to the beach to eat lunch, and apparently on the beach there as well, sometimes you can see the cassowaries as well. But yeah, the plan is to stay in Mission Beach until I see the cassowary, and then continue heading north towards where I'm going to the Duff this weekend. But it is very peaceful walking around. Here's the creek. Apparently there is monitor lizards here as well, which is one of the biggest lizards in the world. But so far, no luck with any animals, only insects like ants and spiders. But yeah, let's continue. No luck with the cassowaries, but I'm thinking I'm gonna go down to the beach to have some lunch, and then I'm gonna Google what time is the best time to spot a cassowary, and then we go out again. So see you down at the beach. Down at the beach, heating up some pasta and chicken, and I think I'm gonna go to Cairns, go to the gym, because yeah, there's not much to do between here and Cairns, so, and it's like a 2-hour drive, so I'll probably go there, or if I find something on the way and then I go to Cairns tomorrow, we'll see. I keep you updated. It is a beautiful view. But yeah, see you in a bit. Found the cassowary. This is the most dangerous bird in the world. This bird has killed humans. It's a living dinosaur. Look at those legs. I don't want to go too close. Look at those legs. Oh yeah. Alright, happy days. Found a cassowary, the world's most dangerous bird. Really cool. Finally I seen an animal that I really want to see. Now I just got the saltwater crocodile and some snakes left to see. But yeah, I arrived to a camping spot. It's next to a place where you can swim tomorrow. Oh, where you can swim, where I'm gonna go swim tomorrow. I'll take you there tomorrow. I think it's pretty cool. I'm not sure. I haven't been there. Other than that, I'm super tired today. I don't know why. And yeah, I got no reception here anyway, so I'm just gonna go to bed early and then hopefully there is a sunrise or something. So yeah, I don't know, this vlog, I think it was pretty short, but that's how it is sometimes. I had a really good day. So yeah, good night, and I'll catch you later. See you tomorrow.